Hi guys and girls, it's me back with another video. Wow, I'm home alone. Wow. Wait, let's get over that. Man, Minnie's here. Minnie, go away. Away here. I'll be home alone. Not really. But today, we're going to be buying a car. Yeah. We're going to be unboxing Rusteze Racing Center Lighting Mqueen. Yay! Cars! Yeah! Okay, I'm feeling a little bit better. Okay. Well, since we got that intro, so let's unbox him. If you like this one, cause it's shining. He's number 95. The number 22. It's 25. 95. Yeah, cars. Hello, Lighting Mqueen. Bye bye, guys and girls. In the next video, I'm gonna be unboxing what should I unbox? I'm gonna unbox the new release remote, or I don't know if it's new release or not a new release. Is this a new release or not? Let me know in the comments down below. But yeah, bye.